In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your history in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just beginning to explore the possibilities with Canva, keeping track of your design history is vital. This allows you the flexibility to revisit previous versions of your projects, which is useful if you decide to make changes or want to explore different design directions. Let's dive in and see how you can navigate this feature effortlessly. First, head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using the credentials that you usually use. To do this, find the login button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. If you haven't signed up yet, you can do so easily by using your Google account, Facebook, or simply your email. Each option is straightforward and Canva guides you every step of the way. After you've logged in, you'll land on your personal Canva dashboard. From here, choose the project that you're interested in exploring further. This could be an ongoing project or something you've completed before. It's essential to ensure that you open the correct project to view its history accurately. Once you've selected the project, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on the File option. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu offering several options. Among these, you'll find one labeled Version History. Go ahead and select that. Now a list will appear detailing all the past versions of your project. This feature provides a comprehensive look at each saved version, each representing a snapshot of your project at different times. You can click on any version to view it in detail. This offers a valuable perspective on how your design has evolved over time. Furthermore, Canva offers you a choice when dealing with these versions. You can elect to restore a specific version, effectively replacing your current design with that past version. This is a fantastic option if you decided the changes you've made aren't quite what you want and you wish to revert to a previous iteration. Alternatively, if you only want to refer to a past version without altering your existing one, you can create a copy. This allows you to start fresh from the chosen version, giving you a new platform to experiment without losing your current work. Remember, having access to your design history can greatly enhance your creative process, giving you the space to experiment and innovate with confidence. And there you have it. Viewing the history of your Canva projects is a feature that, once mastered, can become a powerful tool in your design toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.